Somewhere in the universe, light itself gives up, not slows, not bends. It surrenders. Because there is a place so extreme, so massive, that even light, the fastest thing in existence, cannot escape it. Before we even name it, understand this. Everything you think you know about physics begins to fail here. Time does not flow normally. Space does not behave normally, and reality itself becomes something unrecognizable. And at the center of this collapse lies an object known as 2-618, a black hole so large that entire galaxies would look like dust around it. And what you are about to see is not imagination. It is real. Its name is 2-618. First detected through deep sky spectral analysis, and later confirmed through quasar observations. 2-618 sits nearly 10 billion light-years away in the direction of the constellation Canes Venatici. This means the light we observe today began its journey when the universe was still in its early formation stage. We are not seeing 2-618 as it is now. We are seeing it as it was, billions of years in the past. 2-618 is classified as an ultramassive black hole, powering one of the brightest known quasars in existence. A quasar is not just a black hole. It is a cosmic engine, feeding on matter so violently that the infalling material heats up and shines brighter than entire galaxies. And 2-618 does this on an unimaginable scale. Its energy output is estimated to equal the light of hundreds of trillions of suns. One object, a brightness beyond comprehension. To understand 2-618, you must understand what gravity truly is. Gravity is not a pulling force. It is the bending of space and time itself. Mass warps the fabric of reality like a heavy object placed on stretched fabric. The more mass you add, the deeper the curve becomes. At extreme levels, that curve collapses into a point of no return. This is called the event horizon. Beyond this boundary, nothing escapes. Not matter, not energy, not even light. Around 2-618, this boundary stretches approximately 300 astronomical units, more than 1,300 times the distance between Earth and the Sun. Inside this region, physics begins to behave in ways we cannot fully describe. Time itself slows down dramatically. A few seconds near the event horizon could equal centuries in the outside universe. Cause and effect begin to break apart. Our current understanding of physics starts to fail. Now consider scale. Earth is insignificant here. Our Sun becomes insignificant. 2-618 contains the mass of approximately 66 billion suns compressed into a single gravitational system. Place our entire solar system inside it, from Mercury to Pluto, and it would disappear with room to spare. The Milky Way galaxy, containing hundreds of billions of stars, would not dominate 2-618. It would orbit it. Everything we know, every star, every planet, every system, reduced to a faint structure around something incomparably larger. If 2-618 existed at the center of our galaxy, The Milky Way, as we know it, would not survive in its current form. Star orbits would collapse. Galactic structure would be rewritten, not violently, but inevitably, like dust falling into fire. TON 618 did not form overnight. It is the result of billions of years of cosmic evolution, of matter falling inward, merging and accumulating since the early universe. Studying it gives us a window into the past. It allows us to understand how galaxies formed, how matter behaved in the early cosmos, and how gravity shaped everything we see today. But beyond the mathematics and physics, there is something deeper. We are a species that exists on a small planet, orbiting an ordinary star in an ordinary galaxy. And yet somehow, from this tiny point in space and time, we discovered something like TON 618. We measured it, we studied it, we gave it a name. The universe is not required to be understandable. And yet, against all odds, we are beginning to understand it. And that may be the most extraordinary truth of all.